If you look at it as a dream, like I've said, you just close your eyes and you're in that dream. Now, in that dream, you can imagine anything to the opened eyes. If in the dream right now with your eyes closed, it is reality because this is fourth dimensional right here with your eyes closed. You're in the fourth dimension because there's nothing to distract you. You can imagine I'm keeping them closed on purpose, and you should be too, not while you're driving. It's okay on the bus, on the subway, whatever, in the Uber. With your eyes closed, imagine what you would see if they were open and your dreams were realized. Like right now, what would you see? You're in the fourth dimension with your eyes closed. What is it you're seeing right now as your wish is fulfilled? Your wish is accomplished. You're married, you're happy, you're in love. You're walking into your house, coming up from your honeymoon. What does that feel like is not as important as what would it look like. I'm just using these as an example. Let's close the door. What does it feel like seeing the doctor walk in right now telling you your blood results are excellent? You have an amazing bill of health. I don't know what happened, but you're a miracle. I have to share this with my colleagues. Unbelievable. You can have a good rest of your day. I don't need to see you in at least a year. Just for a checkup if you want, but you're doing amazing. That's your health report. What is it? Oh, all of a sudden now somebody's willed you. It doesn't matter. I don't even want to say willed, but all of a sudden now you have the resources that just show up. What does it look like that you now have the resources to pay off all your debts? Pay off your mortgage, pay off your debts, pay off your cars, pay off the new car, pay off a year of utilities in advance because you're going to be doing some traveling. You don't want to be bothered with that hassle. Whatever. What does it look like? These are closed, so you can imagine in your dream what it looks like. Let's play with what it looks like for a minute. Because now that you can see it happening, now you can start to feel. Well, I can see how that could feel a certain way. I'm going to my computer, I'm paying off my debts. I'm at the doctor's office, he's telling me. I'm coming home being carried over the threshold because we're getting home from our honeymoon. That feels pretty good. That feels like a relief. My dream has come true. I can see it. Now you come back and you open your eyes. You're surprised it's not here yet. It's not here yet. How many times must you do this practice? How many times does it take? Does it take 3 weeks? Does it take one night? Neville got out of the army pretty quick. Pretty quick. He also made it to Barbados pretty quick. He made it back to Barbados with his wife and daughter. And back to New York from Barbados pretty quick. It is that simple. Close the eyes. Imagine what you would see if it were true. Imagine how you would feel by looking at what you're seeing in your fourth dimensional image. What does that feel like? That feels pretty good. And as you open your eyes, it's okay. It's not here yet.